Hello everyone, myself Panari SS, Head and Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Paramesh Dr. G. Jadhav Mahavidyalaya, Gaganmauda, affiliated to Shivaji University, Kolhapur. As per requirement of FDP, we are presenting here 5 short videos on business communication. I am presenting Introduction of Business Communication. Professor Madhu Sarda is presenting process and elements of business communication. Dr. Subhash Patekar sir is presenting principles of business communication, and Professor Prashant Nikam sir is presenting importance of business communication, and Dr. Lakshmi Kangude is presenting types of communication. I thank to our mentor, Professor Parag Shah sir, for helping and guiding us. I also especially thankful to Dean of Faculty of Commerce, Dr. Parag Kalkar sir, and other coordinators, Dr. Supriya madam, Dr. Shamla madam, for organizing this wonderful FDP. Myself, Dr. Sandeep Panari, presenting here Introduction of Business Communication. Meaning of communication. Communication is a process of transforming information, ideas, views, understandings from one person to another to achieve desired results from the receiver. Business communication is a two-way and continuous process of exchange of information, plan, instructions, report, and suggestions to achieve objectives of the organization. Now we can see some definitions of business communication. According to Lewis Allen, communication is the sum total of all the efforts which sender does when he wants to create an understanding in the minds of receiver. It transforming meaning of the concept from one person to another. Communication is the continuous and systematic process of telling information, listening information, and understanding it in effective way. And one another definition we have to see, that is, according to C.L. Bowie, communication is the process of sending message and receiving message from one to another. It will become effective when the sender has clear idea about the message and it encourages the receiver of message to link in think in new ways. That's it from my side. I thank you. Thank one and all.